Man, I'm really digging that color. What's up guys, and welcome to another day at the Car Wars YouTube channel. So today we gotta finish repairing the carbon fiber. Last time we left it off, we couldn't repair it because it was just taking a while for the resin to cure, or the epoxy. We are gonna be laying down some paint today. It's pretty exciting. Finally, the car's coming along. Sorry, it took a little while for us to post this video. Also, we will be announcing the winner of our last giveaway, that Z06 rocker panel giveaway. So stay tuned for that. But let's just jump right into it. We gotta sand down that carbon fiber, flatten it out, and pretty much just prep it for primer.
So here's what it turned out to look like. I mean, it's almost perfect. I think I'm still gonna go over one more time with that epoxy, and then I just need a little bit more, like right here. But besides that, it's actually in its shape. It knocked down to its original shape. I'm gonna try to avoid as much using body filler, just so this thing still remains full carbon fiber. So I'm gonna apply one more layer of epoxy, because I still gotta do it on the hood, and see what it turns out to be like. So now I'm gonna start on the hood. All this stuff has to get knocked down. That's what I'm gonna start doing. This is exciting. It seems like I might get this repair done without any extra amounts of body filler. That's cool, because if this thing can remain 100% carbon fiber, that's sick. Alright, so this is what the roof turned out to be like. So what I'm gonna do is just lightly block it down if there's any high spots, and then pretty much just put like this glazing putty over it. I won't be taking it down to the carbon fiber itself. It's still gonna be all epoxy, so I won't be applying anything onto carbon fiber. And then primer it, and it should be good. Okay, so it's prepped, and this is actually not bare carbon fiber. This is that epoxy stuff. So I'm gonna be applying that glaze putty. I'll show you guys right now. So here's what I'm gonna be putting on this dolphin glaze. Pretty much it's a super fine body filler. And I'm gonna mix it up and apply that. And there's only probably gonna be like about 1/8 of an inch, maybe 1/16 of an inch all around. All I'm trying to do is just fill in those pinholes, little tiny holes. I'm not actually trying to level it out or anything. Just trying to give it a fine, smooth finish before primer. Okay, so here is the final finish before the primer. Here's what the roof looks like. There's a thin layer of this glazing putty, so the finish filler, just to get rid of all the pinholes and everything. I mean, this paint has literally like 3/16 of primer all the way around, just from the factory. That's how they got it so smooth, you know, so it looks like glass over the carbon fiber. But yeah, this thing is ready, and now I'm gonna get onto the hood. Alright, so now the backside. Pretty much what I'm gonna do is start knocking all of it down, start shaping it. And guys, remember, whenever working with carbon fiber or fiberglass or just any body filler, always wear a mask. This stuff will kill you. Okay, so I knocked it down to where I like it. Here's what it looks like. It's very strong. It's super strong all the way, all around. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply just a layer of epoxy on it, just so it fills in all these extra holes. And then I'm gonna scuff up the epoxy and apply that glaze over it, just so I'm not applying it on like raw carbon fiber. Here's what it looks like. Now I'm gonna put it out on the sun and let it dry, so it cures faster, and then I can hit it with sandpaper and apply some of that glaze putty. Alright, so it dried up. That's what it looks like. Now I'm just gonna block it down, kind of scratch it up. So after hours of sanding, this is what it turned out to be like. So final product before applying primer. I'm gonna hang up the hood and then get that roof right there and primer it, and then put it outside tomorrow and let it dry up on the sun.
Alright guys, so it's the next day here. Yesterday we got the roof and the hood primered, but now we got this quarter panel, the bumper, the fender, and the door actually prepped for paint. So we went ahead and actually already sanded this down, blocked this, so this is all nice and ready and actually already prepped for the paint, the quarter panel. Then we got the fender right here, so it's all nice and scuffed. This has been sealed and blocked. So the door is also all nice and prepped for the paint. And then the bumper right there still looks like a toothless shark. Looks pretty funny. But let's get some paint on this. We got Peter mixing some paint. Shank that money maker.
Manual paint mixer.
Manual paint mixer right there. You gotta do what you gotta do. So mix that paint up and we're gonna start spraying right now. So now we are ready to spray. Remember guys, whenever painting or doing any of this body work, always wear a mask. You won't catch me not wearing a mask. Let's get this going. Alright, so we got all the paint laid down. It's all looking good. So now it is pretty much ready for clear. Peter's tack clothing it, or whatever it's called, to collect all that dust.
Wearing that mask.
Yeah, he's wearing that mask. Look at that.
Mask. Don't take it off. It's still drying. So it's going to your lungs. It'll mess your lungs up, you guys. I can't stress enough.
Peter actually called a respiratory therapist. I think that's what he's called. Nick. Shout out to Nick. And he asked him about that carbon fiber stuff in your lungs. He said it's real bad, guys. It's real bad. Gotta wear a mask. But he said he'll be fine if he did it just like once. But yeah, don't do it. We're definitely not doing that anymore. That's for sure.
Don't do drugs and don't breathe carbon fiber.
So there you have it. We got some paint on the door, on the bumper, well, bumper, door. Got the fender right there, and the quarter panel. We gotta let these babies dry, let that clear harden, and they're pretty much ready for assembly. Oh, inspection right there, quality control. So that's gonna be a wrap for this video. We got all the carbon fiber repaired, we got the fiberglass repaired. What do you guys think carbon fiber repair cost compared to fiberglass repair? Because if you get like carbon fiber parts and compared to fiberglass parts, the difference between the parts is like pretty high. So guys, comment what do you guys think like a kit for carbon fiber will cost and a kit for fiberglass will cost. But we got that repaired. We got the paint laid on. We gotta let it dry. Also, there's a few little pieces that we gotta paint. We got the black carbon flash parts that we still gotta do. But once we're done with paint, guys, assembly is coming soon. So this thing's gonna start coming together pretty quick now. I can't wait to drive this thing. We actually still haven't drove it because we don't have the transmission oil since we took the lines off. Also, guys, we have hoodies available. You can check in the corner. I don't know which corner it's gonna be. So we still have hoodies available, shirts available. Guys, go check those out. And now it is time to announce the giveaway winner. All right, guys, so I got the video pulled up. This is the last video, the part 5. That's where we had the winners. So I got the URL with the link copied. And then I went to random comment picker or YouTube random comment picker. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just type in, we'll throw in the URL right here. I already put it in there, and then start the raffle and pick the random winner. So all you have to do is actually have Z06 written in your comment and you are qualified. Let's see. Second. Okay. Nope. Mark Buckhart. It says name Mercy. No, I guess he commented for the name. Okay, let's pick another one. That one is not gonna work. So we got Z06. Tim Moroz. Tim Moroz, you are the winner, man. All right, Tim, so you are the winner. So go ahead and contact us. Hit Peter and me up, and we'll go ahead and get you that rocker. But guys, thanks for watching. We're going to wrap up this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.